really excited at Denholm Industrial Services, being one of the first engineering contractors in the UK to partnership with Qlayers.
We're training these guys to handle a coating robot. It's a robot designed to coat large industrial surfaces, ensures the particles from not blowing away into the environment, or being sucked off by our system, and most of all, landing on the substrate. So because the robot does up to 80% of the work, we reduce people working at heights up to 80%.
It allows us to react quickly. We can take on large projects and we can execute them a lot quicker. This means we can pass down any cost savings to our client.
So after they pass this training, they'll be sure to deliver a competent and safe operation at the next project in the field on either a vessel or a tank.
I think this is the way forward. For the uniform finish he gets is much more a higher standard than a human can do. So we can't actually wait to get into this, get our hands into it, get down and dirty, and get this into practice on the next job.